Imagine a succulent, perfectly grilled chicken breast, its exterior beautifully seared, radiating a warm, inviting aroma. Imagine a side of fluffy quinoa, each grain glistening with the flavors of a light vinaigrette. Imagine crisp, vibrant broccoli, steamed to perfection, bringing a refreshing crunch to every bite. This isn't just a meal, it's a symphony of flavors and textures, a nourishing feast that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also nourishes your body. The first step in our culinary journey is the chicken. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder for that extra punch. Heat a grill pan over medium heat, drizzle it with olive oil, and lay the chicken breast gently onto the pan. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of flavor building. Cook each side for about 6 minutes until it's golden brown and the juices run clear. While the chicken is grilling, it's time to prepare the quinoa. Rinse a cup of quinoa under cold water to remove its natural bitterness. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan. Add the rinsed quinoa and simmer it until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is tender. As for the broccoli, it couldn't be simpler. Fill a pot with a little water, place a steamer basket inside, and let the water come to a boil. Add the broccoli, cover the pot, and let it steam for about 5 minutes until it's bright green and tender yet crisp. Finally, dress the quinoa with a light vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. This will add a zesty note to the dish and enhance the flavors of the quinoa. And there you have it, a dish that's not only a delight to the senses, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. The chicken provides lean protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. The quinoa is a whole grain, rich in fiber and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. And the broccoli? It's a superfood, loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. So, the next time you're looking for a meal that's both delicious and nutritious, remember this dish. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. It's all about mixing and matching the right ingredients, using simple cooking techniques, and most importantly, enjoying the process. After all, food is not just fuel for the body. It's also a source of joy and pleasure. So go ahead, give this dish a try, and experience the magic of healthy, flavorful cooking.